Look at that view, man. Cloud pillows for days. Can't wait to hit Tokyo.
We're about to board, fam. Japan, here I come. I can already taste that ramen. Yo, we made it! Tokyo, baby! The lights, the vibes, unreal.
First things first, ramen. Slurp it loud, that's how they do it here. Tokyo's train game is tight, efficient, clean, and, silent.
This place is wild. Shibuya Crossing. Felt like a music video. Taking a quiet moment. This shrine's got peace I didn't know I needed.
We're getting close. You see that? Mount Fuji! Baby!
Here we are, base camp, right under the shadow of the legend herself.
I'm not saying I'm a pro camper, but this tent's not gonna beat me.
Nothing like earning your fire. This is life.
Chef G in the wild. Fire grilled goodness coming right up.
Out here, all the noise fades. Just stars, mountains, and breath.
You ever sleep in a tree during a thunderstorm? Let me tell you about survival. Real survival.
Start your day with breath, not chaos. Out here, I can hear myself think.
Cold water, clean soul. Nature spa day, baby. Okay. That raccoon just robbed me. Straight ninja style. Look at that view. Bro, I feel like Nat Geo out here.
It's not the summit, it's what you see along the way. That's the real journey.
This trip changed me. If you're watching, go chase something real.